Many beginners believe shapes are something you have to copy perfectly. That belief creates pressure. When pressure appears, the hand tightens and the mind judges every mark. Shapes are not tests. Shapes are containers. A shape is simply a closed line that holds space. That's all. It does not need to be smooth. It does not need to be balanced. It only needs to close. When you see a circle, you are not seeing perfection. You are seeing a line that returned to where it started. When you see a square, you are seeing straight lines that meet. When you see a triangle, you are seeing three lines that connect. The simple idea here is this: you are placing space on paper using lines. When you draw slowly and allow lines to be imperfect, your body relaxes. When your body relaxes, your shapes improves naturally over time. There are three gentle parts to this idea. First, your hands learns by moving, not by thinking. The more you draw shapes, the more natural they feel. Second, shapes do not need correction to be useful. Even uneven shapes help your eye learn. Third, finishing a shape matters more than fixing a shape. Completion builds confidence. For example, if you try to draw a circle and stop halfway because it feels wrong, your mind stays tense. If you keep going and close the shape, your mind relaxes. This flow works because it replaces judgment with action. You are not evaluating, you are placing lines. Here's how we'll do this together. We'll start by drawing a simple circle, then we'll add a square, finally, we'll add triangle and bring the page together. If this idea helped you feel a little calmer about shapes, you don't have to stop here. If you want me to guide you through the full step-by-step version where I explain everything slowly with real examples, you can take the whole class free for a month using my link below. And it continues right from here so you don't lose your momentum. Plus, you'll get access to thousands of other creative classes for a month, including drawing and illustrations. Before you go, you're welcome to leave a quick comment. Even one word like clear or calmer really helps more beginners discover this video. And if you have questions, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching. If this helped, you can gently like the video, share it with someone who might need a calmer start, and subscribe so you don't miss the next one.